When and how to use a number sign. Just before we start, continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. So, in American English, the number sign is used as an abbreviation for the word number. However, it's normally only used this way in informal writing. For example, when writing an email. Hi John, remember when you get to our street, we live at number 21. Or when sending an SMS. Can you please send me John's phone number? Note, there's no space between the number sign and the number. It's number sign 27, not number sign space 27. In a formal business letter it would be written, Dear customer, you will find our office at number 40, Market Street. In American English, the number sign is also known as the pound sign and represents weight when written after a number. For example, after exercising for 2 weeks, he lost 5 pounds. Pound is also abbreviated as LB. In British English, the number sign which appears on a telephone is called hash. The abbreviation NO period is often used for number instead of the number sign. For example, in an email, Hi John, remember when you get to our street, we live at number 21. So in summary, the number sign in American English is also known as a pound sign. In British English, it's also called hash. In American English, the number sign is used as an abbreviation for the word number in informal writing. In British English, the abbreviation NO period is more commonly used. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.